Hey, how are you? Good? So, maybe you've got some improvement project plan now that the nice weather is here? That's no reason to look shabby. Quite the opposite, yes. So, this week I'm showing you 3 different outfits to look sexy on the job site. So, let's go for the outfit of the day. Happy Friday! How are you? Good? Yes? I'm very good. Force yourself. Good news! Ready for the outfit of the day? So, the first, pajamas, oversized t-shirt. Yes? Let's go for the outfit of the day. Okay, so for the first outfit, a cotton white thong for underwear, a black jean short like this for bottom with a top and a shirt to protect arms, of course. Oh yes, for shoes, a pair of boots with over socks, and for accessory, here an adjustable wrench, a screwdriver here, and a cap, a belt, and a bandana. Look at this! So, did you like it? Yes? Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment just here, and subscribe. See you later.